So this is going to show you a little bit about what recap is. And recap is a way for students to give video messages to the teacher. So what the teacher would do is, here's my teacher's dashboard. I would want to create a recap. And so here it is. When is it going to be due? And what is my question? So that is my question I would like to ask. I can ask additional questions, so students could make 2 or 3 videos at once. I also have the option of recording my video to the students instead of just a text-based question. When I am done, I would click Next, and now I can assign it to specific students or the whole class. I can choose how long I want the students to speak for at the maximum, when it is due, and then I would like the students to self-assess themselves. So I send that out to my students, okay, and students would then log in to their page. Here I have Bob Kraft, my student, and here the student sees that there is a question. What did you have for lunch today? And the student can respond later or now. So by responding now, they just click the red button and it will link with their camera on their screen. And when they are ready, they can click Start. And when they click Start, they will see the clock tick down to 0, so they know how long they have to talk. And so they can speak into the mic and answer the question. When they are done, they pause it, and then the video will be uploaded automatically to the recap website so that the teacher can view it. As that is happening, then students would go in and self-assess themselves. So they can re-record it or go to Next, and then self-assess themselves, partially got it, and then they are finished. So going back to the teacher's dashboard, and let me refresh this, you will see that all of the students' videos would show up on your screen, and you can see how many of your students understood the video. And here would be all of my students, and so I can play them all and it'll just skip from one to the next, or I can go individually. I click on the video and it opens up down to 0, so they know how long they have to. And you can see I'm taught the student here, which is supposed to be, but it is me, is talking. And then as you review it, teacher can add some comments. Okay, whatever the teacher would like to add, they can add to the video. At this time, it's only text comments, but Recap has said that they are looking at actually allowing teachers to give audio comments and audio video comments. So that would be very good because you could have a conversation with your students. So there, that's done. And then if we go back into the students view and I refresh, you will see the students video and see they have a little 1. So that means someone has given them feedback down to 0. Feedback, which is the teacher, and here it is. And so those videos stay in the students' recap folder so they can slowly look at and review how they are doing. And so that is recap, a very interesting way to get students to do video reflections on work and create conversations that couldn't be done as easily if the teacher was to sit down and videotape each student individually.